Hi Aslan, good morning. How are you? Why you are sad? Why you are sad, Aslan? You are looking your daddy and mommy. Where's your mommy and daddy? They are so busy, ma. Mommy and daddy busy. Work, work, work. Always work. Okay, baby. Okay, okay. You want milk now? Are you hungry? Yeah, we will call to your mom. Mommy, where are you? Daddy, where are you? Huh, huh, huh. Where's your mommy? Where's your daddy? Where is Mercy? Everybody is not here. Huh. Aslan, say mommy. Aslan, look the camera. You see you're under. Aslan, say daddy. Don't say off first, okay? Later. Okay. Say good morning. Good morning. Aslan. Aslan, can you say good morning in the camera? Aslan. Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Where's your daddy? Ay, mommy and daddy is not here. Where are they? Where are they, Aslan? Say mommy.